start with a breakfast sandwich that I like to call Señor breakfast sandwich. It is so grand and so delicious. So I have my saucepan set over medium heat, and I'm gonna make a basic bechamel sauce. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm gonna sprinkle on top 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And this is going to create a roux. And I can smell that the butter actually is cooking with the flour because it smells like toast. Now I'm gonna add 1 1/3 cups of milk. I have it over low-medium heat. And the moment that it thickens, you have a bechamel sauce. I'm making this sandwich at least twice a week, and it has become one of Juju's most favorite sandwiches. So now it's thickening. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground black pepper to taste, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of chipotle in adobo sauce. While I'm keeping an eye out on the sauce, I'm gonna slice the bread, and I want it nice and thick. I wanna keep cooking the sauce until I can see the lines that the whisk leaves behind. So many things that I love about cooking breakfast for the boys. They leave the house happy and satisfied, and it's something that they're looking forward to the night before, which helps with the waking up. Just like a minute more. I have a buttered baking sheet, and I have my oven at 375. The sauce is ready. I'm gonna add a generous amount of this sauce right on top of the bread. Now, the Oaxaca cheese, which we absolutely adore. It's stringy, a little salty. You can cut it and thread it like that, or grate it, which is what I did here. When the cheese melts, it's going to melt into that chipotle mustard bechamel sauce. So I have some thick slices of ham, and I'm just adding the ham to one of the sides. I have the oven at 375, and I'm gonna put this in there anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes. My timer is set for 7 minutes. So instead of being like deep fried sunny side up eggs, these have the minimum amount of oil. So see, just a drop. They're gonna cook the eggs beautifully with the lid on top. It's almost like you're baking the eggs. I'm gonna crack 2 and 2. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on top and pepper because everything in this sandwich is seasoned. Because I have them over the lowest possible heat, they're gonna cook for like 5 to 6 minutes. Oh yes! El Señor breakfast sandwich, the Mexican version. Today, I gave it super extra sauce. I put more chipotle. I love breakfast, Juju.
Me too.
The bread is so crispy. It's like a ham and cheese sandwich that went wild. No?
La Costeña. More information at mexicorico.com.